Welcome to Feisty Marketer. In the previous video, I taught you how to create account on Fiverr, so today I will tell you that how to make gigs on Fiverr. So let's get started. Go to your logo and click on Profile. After that, here is an option, Become a Seller, click on this. Here are some options. For Publish a Gig, we click on Continue. After that, for Fulfill these requirements, click on Continue. Here are some categories. We need to complete this. Some categories already complete in previous video. Here, I complete this, then click on Continue. Now, the second step have some also categories. In this, we already complete some categories. Now, the first option is Occupation. It means what skills do you have. Now, mention your skills. After that, if you have certificates then add, and have any professional website, then add the link. And click on Continue. Third step is Linked account. If you want to link Fiverr account with these social presences, then linked. And after click on Continue. Last step is Verified your account with your cell number. After adding your number, your verification is complete. After, click on Finish. Now, let's make a gig. Here, the upper section have some steps. For making gigs, we need to complete these steps. Here, the first option is Gig Title. In the first option, we need to add gig title that represent your gig. You need to add gig title according to your skills. After that, the second option is Category. It means which category are suitable for your gig. After that, the third option is Gig Metadata. It means which types of videos you edit. And last step is Search Tags. It means tag your gig with buzzwords that are relevant to the services you offer. And now, click on Save. The second category is Scope and Pricing. It means how you should price your gig. Basically, if you want to keep your basic pricing, keep it. Otherwise, you can change it by clicking Offers Packages. Now, first, name your package, in 3 ways. After that, describe the detail you offering, also in 3 ways. Mention delivery time, and now, you can fulfill these steps by according to you. Click on Save. The third step is Description. It means briefly describe your gig. Like, I describe my gig. The fourth step is Requirements. In this, you get all the information you need from buyers to get started. Like, I asked some question to buyers, you can ask according to you. Then click on Save. And close this bar. Now, fifth step is Gallery. In this, you can add gig as a video or as picture. Canva is the best app for making gig. Like, I add gig as a video and image, you can add 2 more images. Now, click on Save. The last step is Publish. Here you just need to complete the following requirements to start selling. We fill this question. And click on Save. Here, your gig is active on your profile. I hope you learned very well from this. Thanks for watching.